Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So it is quite early here in the morning, but I wanted to just share this quick Dollar Tree haul. And I mean, it is super quick. I only have about 4 items here to share with you. And the only reason I decided to upload the video now instead of waiting till I got to the Dollar Tree again to make it a bigger haul is because there was one item that I did get 21 of. So I thought I would share it. I was really excited when I came across it. I thought it was really neat, and I'll just wait till the end because it will be the last item that I show you. But for that reason, I thought if you haven't seen this item at your Dollar Tree and it's something that you like, then you can keep an eye open for it in case it comes to your Dollar Tree as well. So I'm just gonna jump right into the haul. The first thing that I picked up here is this tote bag by Juncture. It says Spread Kindness, and it's like a canvas tote bag. And it does have the handles, but it is tucked in the inside, and I haven't taken off the little cardboard tag here at the top. But for those of you who do love the old truck, then you definitely will love this as well. And it is in purple. And the size of this is 36 centimeters by 40 centimeters. I went ahead and picked up another one of these Home Sweet Home signs. I already placed the one I got previously in my entryway, and I just love it. I love the black with the plain wood there, the wooden beads at the bottom, and then the same color here in the center of the wood that says Sweet Home. So Home Sweet Home. I found this headband by Conair, and I don't see too many items by Conair, but I really love this headband. We do have a wedding coming up in the fall, and my daughter loves to wear headbands just to keep her hair back. And I thought this one would be super pretty for her to wear. It is metal and it is gold, in a gold finish. And then it has these faux gems here in the center, as well as the little stems that are going out from the center of the flower. It has them there as well. So I think she'll really like to add this to her outfit for the wedding in the fall. I really needed these. I'm working in my motor home, and sometimes you get that fly that gets in there, or mosquito, and these work really great. They are the fly ribbons by Pick, and you do get 6 ribbons inside, so this should do me well. The backpacks are coming back with back to school. Arriving very soon, but they are getting their back to school items out, and so I did pick up a couple of these before, a pink one and a blue one, but now this time around I seen that they had a couple of patterned backpacks, and this one I thought was super adorable, so I decided to pick it up. I don't know, I think they're plums. I just love the color of the bag, and then with this pink mixed in with it, I just thought it was really pretty, so I decided to pick it up. And then the last item that I did get 21 of are these chipboard letter stickers, and it is the whole alphabet, and you get at least 2 with every letter. Some have 3. And they are the Scrabble pieces. So how awesome is this? For anyone who loves to DIY or scrapbook, make gifts for people, you can really personalize your items now with these chipboard letter stickers in these Scrabble pieces, which I absolutely love. I love the game. I love making the tiles, whether they're out of canvas or out of wood. And now I have these chipboard letter stickers to add to my collection. They are by Forever in Time, And you do, oh, I didn't even realize you get 2 sheets. So you get 2 sheets, which is awesome. So I was really happy to pick these up. Let me know if you guys have seen these chipboard letter stickers at your Dollar Tree in the comments section below. And that's it, guys. That's all I have for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you're all doing great. If you enjoyed this little small haul, please like the video, share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.